natin. Mr. and Mrs. Calledo, nasan po kayo? Mr. and Mrs. Figuracion, nasan po kayo?
Ano ni mama nga tao?
8, 7, asan Nanay Martin?
6, 5, 4,
Okay.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Hoy, nagbuya kayo. Ay, wow.
Pero kung gusto na
I'm a bit nervous about being here today.
nakay-kay-war po
Still
siya.
not real sure what I'm going to say. So bear with me, please, if I take up too much of your time. Seeing this box is a ring for you.
Tayo po ngayon ay nandito para saksihan pagtibay sa pamagitan ng dalawang puso nagmamahalan
Barang-garang.
at nag-iibigan sa katauhan.
Tapos pa uri na tayo tao.
Can marry your daughter and make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. And give her the best of me to the day that I die. I'm gonna marry a princess, make her my queen.
Nagsimula tayo sa kamusta Manang? Merry Christmas Manang. Hanggang sa gusto kita Manang. Miss na kita Manang. Sino mag-aakala na yung taong dinadaan-daan ko lang dati at nagpapakilig kay Bunso namin ay kaharap ko na ngayon sa harap ng Panginoon, sa harap ng ating mga magulang, kapatid at sa harap ng nandito ngayon. Ikaw ay magiging kabiyak ko na sa habang buhay.
Love, salamat dahil dumating ka sa panahon kailangan ko ang karaw. Salamat dahil hindi ko pinilit yung panahon na hanapin ka kung hindi sa binigay ng Panginoon sa akin na makasama ka at mamahalin mo lubusan.
Gonna marry a princess, make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile when she was not here. Of her father, on the day that I marry a daughter.
Puro matang.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, napaka-sweat ako kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko. At sa lahat ng mga lalaking dumaan sa buhay ko, ikaw lang yung tanging nakapasa sa nanay ko. Sa pa-exam ni Mother, kumbaga you got an excellent. Parang ginayuma mo yata yung pamilya namin. As in, no comment silang lahat sa'yo.
Ito yung may puhusan to. And sabis man ko naman, Tomis. And then ikaw, Rain. And
Love is like drugs.
Ate Rose is here.
More try. Maybe that's impossible 'cause I know it's too late for fixing. Life is not love is like drugs. Love is like drugs. I've seen pictures of it. Never thought to do it. Now I'm learning to love. Give it a call. Let's Your love is like dope, got me twisted like rope. Leslie know if she left a note, it was murder that she wrote. I'm addicted to you, but you stick to you. Talk about your love like I'm snitching on you. I'm explaining, it got me feeling like I see you in my future, baby. You're intoxicating, got me high as hell. You my cartel, baby, I'm your clientele. And you supply well. Love is like drugs, now I see pictures of it. Never thought that they would come out, burn through it all. Give it a call, let's move. Love is like drugs, I have seen
kasama mo. Salamat
Tagal
sa
ko talaga
Panginoon dahil hindi
hinintay.
mo ako sinunod. Love, finally ito na ang nakatakdang panahon na dating pangarap lang natin ay matutupad na sa ngalan ng Panginoon.
Oo, tinupad ko
Salamat
lang yung
at
pangarap
kinikis
mo.
tayo upang
Grabe.
magpatibay ang ating pagmamahala.
Drone shot na kaya eh.
Wow.
You should see the way the stars illuminate your stunning silhouette.
Ada daw talaga ang aking babae mo ya.
I had to count to 10 and take a breath. You think that you don't have beauty in abundance, but you do. That's the truth. You're frozen in
Nagsimple
motion.
ka di video tayo.
A perfect picture in a frame. Some visions don't ever fade. I don't need a camera to capture this moment. I remember how you looked tonight.
Nakatawa.
My life.
Salamat sa pagkabait ng Panginoon na ikaw at ako ang nagpapatunay na hindi hadlang ang agwat ng ating edad. Nawa, bigyan na po ng Panginoon ng malawak na pangunawa at mahabang pasensya na patuloy na maging tapat at mabuting asawa. Salamat po. Mahal na mahal.
Ang tanda na mga tabaw mo ah.
Iwa pa ya eh pa. Tawag tayo ka? Pakastap. Pa laminate mo.
Pati pa yung sura ng
Sura.
Ang sakit yung layak ng tayo. Umiyak ka pala.
Ano ka? Lagi dito tayo. Lagi dito daw.
Salamat kasi
Kasi simple lang video ta text lang ka makumpleto ko.
sana po
May may nakaramit na.
I will love you today, tomorrow, and every day. I love you.
But everything is black and
Yes!
white.
Palakpakan naman po natin! Happy birthday!
Something in the way you shine. I don't need a camera. You're in my eyes.
Woo! Ganda.
Alright! Palakpakan naman po natin ang si Babong! Si Babong! And sabay-sabay po natin sabihin, mabuhay ang bagong kasal! 1, 2, 3, go! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Thank you so much po!
Kurang sakit ng tao.